Hello, hi, namaste. I welcome you all to my channel. Myself Raju Hegde. Today we are going to learn about top 10 Python libraries. Python is an ocean of libraries that serve various purposes, and as a Python developer, you must have sound knowledge of the best one. Uh, there are there are few very well-known Python libraries are TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, NumPy, Keras, PyTorch, LightGBM, Elify, SkyFi, Tino, and Pandas. Let's see all these libraries one by one in detail. Python, let's understand Python a little bit before that. Python is one of the most popular and widely used programming language and has replaced many programming languages in the industry. There are a lot of reasons why Python is popular among developers, and one of them is that it has an amazingly large collection of libraries that user can work with. Here are a few important reasons as to why Python is popular. Python has a huge collection of libraries. Python is known as the beginners level programming language because of its simplicity and easiness. From deploying and maintaining, Python wants their developers to be more productive. Portability is another reason for huge popularity of Python. The simplicity of Python has attracted many developers to create new libraries for machine learning. Because of the huge collection of libraries, Python is becoming hugely popular among machine learning experts. That's what we can say. The first library in our top 10 Python library video is TensorFlow. If you are currently working on a machine learning project in Python, then you may have heard about this popular open source library known as TensorFlow. This library was developed by Google in collaboration with Brain Team. TensorFlow is used in almost every Google applications for machine learning. TensorFlow works like a computational library for writing new algorithms that involve a large number of tensor operations. Since neural network can easily express as a computational graph, they can be implemented using TensorFlow as a series of operations on tensors. Plus, tensors are n-dimensional metrics which represents your data. Where exactly this TensorFlow is used? If you are using TensorFlow daily, you are using TensorFlow daily, but indirectly with applications like Google Voice Search, Google Photos. These applications are developed using this library. The number of applications of TensorFlow is literally unlimited, and that is the beauty of TensorFlow. Next in our top 10 libraries video, we have Scikit-learn. It is a Python library. It's a Python library associated with NumPy and SkyFi. It is considered as one of the best libraries for working with complex data. There are a lot of changes being made in library. One modification is cross-validation feature, providing the ability to use more than one metric. Lots of training methods like logistic regression and nearest neighbors have received some little improvements. Where is Scikit-learn used? It contains a numerous number of algorithms for implementing standard machine learning and data mining tasks like reducing dimensionality, classification, regression, clustering, and model selection. So next in our session is NumPy. NumPy is considered as one of the most popular machine learning library in Python. TensorFlow and other libraries uses NumPy internally for performing multiple operations on tensors. Array interface is the best and most important feature of NumPy. Array interface. Features of NumPy is interactive. NumPy is very interactive and easy to use. Mathematics makes complex mathematical implementations very simple. Intuitive makes coding really easy and grasping the concept is easy. Lot of interactions, widely used, hence lot of open source contribution. NumPy is used, this interface can be utilized for expressing images, sound waves, and other binary raw streams as an array of real numbers in dimension. Next, we will see Keras. Keras is considered as one of the coolest machine learning library in Python. It provides an easiest mechanism to express neural networks. Keras also provides some of the best utilities for compiling models, processing dataset, visualization of graphs, and much more. In backend, Keras uses either Thino or TensorFlow internally. Keras is comparatively slow when we compare it with other machine learning libraries because it creates a computational graph by using backend infrastructure and then makes use of it to perform operations. All the models in Keras are portable. Some of the features are Keras runs smoothly on both the CPU and GPU. Keras supports almost all models of neural network. Keras, being modular in nature, is incredibly expressive, flexible, and opt for innovative research. Keras is completely Python based framework. These are the couple of features of Keras. Where Keras is used, you are already constantly interacting with features built with Keras. It is in use at Netflix, Uber, Instacart, Square, many others. It's especially popular among startups and that plays deep learning at the core of their products. Keras contains numerous implementations of commonly used neural network building blocks such as layers, objectives, activation functions, optimizers, and a host of tools to make working with image and text data easier. Plus, it provides many pre-processed datasets and pre-trained models like MNIST, VGG, Inception, SqueezeNet, ResNet, etc.